Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your default web browser in Windows 10. Whether you're switching to Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get right into it. First, let's open Settings by press Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click on Apps. From the left-hand side, select Default Apps. Scroll down to the Web Browser section. You'll see your current default browser listed there, like Google Chrome. Click on the browser icon. A list of all installed browsers will appear. Choose the browser you want to set as your default. For example, select Microsoft Edge if it's installed. This change means that all web links will now open in your selected browser automatically. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more simple tech guides. Let me know in the comments which browser you prefer and why.